In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Adobe Acrobat signature. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to place a clean, professional signature on any PDF using Adobe Acrobat. We'll keep it simple and stick to the essentials, while I share a few tips to make the process smooth. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat. Have the PDF you want to sign handy so you can bring it in right away. Once Acrobat is open, load your PDF. You can do this by opening the file directly from Acrobat or by double-clicking your PDF so it launches in Acrobat. Keeping your document name clear, like adding sign to the file name, can help you stay organized later. With your PDF open, head to the Edit PDF tool. You'll usually see Edit PDF in the right-hand panel or along the top toolbar, depending on your version. Click it to move into the editing workspace. This view gives you access to tools that let you modify the document's content and layout, and it also makes it easy to access signing features in the same place. If your PDF has many pages, it can help to zoom into the area where you plan to place your signature before you continue. Inside the editing display, look for the e-sign option. This is the feature designed for adding signatures and initials to your document. You'll typically spot it in the toolbar or the Tools pane on the right. The e-sign tool centralizes everything you need to place a legally acceptable electronic signature without leaving the PDF editing view. Click the e-sign option, then select the plus icon next to Add Signature. A small window will appear where you can type your name. When you type, Acrobat formats it in a script style so it looks like a handwritten signature. Take a moment to pick the style that feels most like your real signature and check that the spelling is correct. When you're happy with it, click Apply. Your cursor will now carry the signature so you can place it exactly where it belongs, typically on a signature line or at the bottom of the page. Click once to drop it in place, then drag to fine-tune the position if needed. You can also use the corner handles to resize it so it matches the scale of the form. If it lands in the wrong spot, simply undo and try again until it looks right. And that's it. Open your PDF in Acrobat, choose Edit PDF, find the e-sign option, add your signature with the plus button, type it in, and apply. When you're done, give the document a quick review and save your changes so your signed copy is ready to share.